Hi, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. This is our restaurant in Spain. This is video before and after. So this is a first part of the video, so it's gonna be before, and then we're gonna show you how we restore it and how it will look after. Now I slowly show you what is looks right now, and then next video, part by part, we're gonna show you how we restore it and how it looks after restoration. So let me flip the camera. Flip the camera. This is how it looks right now. The bar. It's gonna be Italian restaurant. It's a lot of things what need to repair here. For example, these things gonna go away. It's very old. We're gonna take it out, and this wall also will go away. This we're planning to painting, repair all this stuff, reparation for this one. Bendiciones, bienvenidos. We are in Spain. This is Spain, south of Spain. All this wall will be painting white. You will see all this one. Now I will show you all the stuff we'll need to restore, how it looks right now and how it will look after. It's cracks everywhere. You can see it's cracks. This stuff, then this stuff. Here, all this will be restored. This is how it looks right now, guys. I remind you, this is the video before and after. So this is how it looks before, and after, step by step, we're gonna come to video after. Look at that. All this stuff, we're gonna restore it. These things also will go away. So this is how it looks outside. Now let's go in. Let's go in. First of all, let's look at how it's, in which condition is ceiling. You see? All this is go away. Now, here also. It's not too bad, but it's still have some things to repair and to restore. Here, do you see the ceiling? All this one. Then here is something. You know this, but this need to be restored. Next, the floor. The floor is from carton. So, do you see the condition? The floor is also need to be changed. Let's see. Thank you, Betsaida. Thank you so much for your likes. Do you see, guys? Then this is Eric. Hi, director of this restaurant, manager and director. So all this one is how it looks right now. This color will be not gray. This color will be white. Planning to make white. This also I planning to make white. I will be a decorator here. So we're gonna have here 3 colors because it's Italian restaurant. It's gonna be white, green, and red because Italian flag is have this color, so we're gonna keep these 3 colors. All this gray will go away. All this gray will go away. You see, the condition is so of the wall paintings. This side is quite good. Then let's go look in the floor in the counter of the bar. Here also, you see this one. Yeah, all this stuff need to be restored. We're gonna also take some people who gonna clean here from Cucaracha. It's gonna be all clean from Cucaracha. Next, let's go next. Show you here in the bar. Also will be needed cleansing. That's looking how it looks right now. And this also looks so like this. Next, let's go. All these toilets, aseos, in Spanish, gonna be. I am thinking to take it out this gray color. It's gonna be white color. So you will see how it looks after. Let's go to toilets. I show you the condition of toilets. The floor also will be need to paint. Here is quite okay. This is the main toilet. Maybe ceiling will be need to change. And the women toilets also. The floor will be need to paint. And here the ceiling also, all this stuff have to be restored. Hey everyone, hi. Let's go next. Let's go up. Upstairs gonna be a romantic zone. Do you see all this stuff will be need to fix? And the floor of the stairs also looks also we need also to fix it. See here also. This wall is it looks like this with many spots. This also will be need to restore. Here I actually like up this billiard go away. It's don't gonna be here. The only I don't like here is gonna be zone, a romantic zone with many sofas like these armchairs. The only I don't like here is the condition of ceiling. Do you see that? It's the spots from sticks of billiard. They make a lot of dirt here, and it's don't looks good. So all this need to be changed, because this gray also gonna be changed to white. Hi, I read your comments. No, I don't sell this restaurant. We bought, we make business here, and we gonna make here Italian restaurant. We are directors here. We have investor that want to make business here, so we are here gonna make Italian restaurant. You see, all this need to be restored. And this is video before and after. This is video actually before. So I recording all the things that need to be restored, need to be fixed. See how it looks, the ceiling. Ceiling is looks so. I think we will need to, we'll see how much budget we have, but we will need to do our best to make maximum we can to it looks good and it works good, so we gonna try it. Eric, my moderator. So that's what is. That's what is, guys. After slowly in this month I will show you. You see the condition of the wall also. This all we're gonna, and the floor also. The floor. Yeah, here I forgot to show you. All this need to be fixed. Okay. So now every day we're gonna make a video how this place is changing, because tomorrow will come first people who gonna start restoring this place, and you will see how it looks after. Slowly you will see how it looks after. I'm very excited about this restaurant, really excited. So guys, I'm gonna finish this live. Thank you so much for being here with me. And we're gonna put next videos how it will be changed, this restaurant. And then how we open it. God bless you guys. Have a nice day and see you soon. Thank you so much.